own country against rogue leadership. Not in a democracy like ours, and not in the dictatorship they are trying to create. We want to remind Kenyans, our constitution, in the very first article, gives sovereignty to the people, which the people, even when they donate it to parliament, to the executive, or to any other organ, the people still retain the residual sovereignty, which we are asking people, let us come together next Tuesday, let us decide what kind of life we want to live. Thank you and God bless. And His Excellency Raila Odinga, the People's President and our leader, is out on a short trip. He will be back by the meeting on Tuesday, and so is my brother, His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka. Two other principals are in Western Kenya today, that is Oparanya and Wanjakoya. But those of us who are present, we represent the entire Azimio side, fraternity. Asanteni sana, God bless.
Very good. Thank you.
Do you have any questions?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.